So essentially, I will show you how the whole thing was. Basically, my problem is that I have both kneecaps very lateralized. So if you see here, I put a tape to do, I think it is called McCorney taping, McCorney patella taping, which is basically meant to keep the kneecap a bit more in a medial position rather than a lateral position. So I normally go around with two layers of tape. One it is a layer of anti-allergic tape, and the other is tougher tape, because the anti-allergic tape is very brittle, doesn't hold big tension. So normally I go around with these tapes on my kneecaps,